Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a churros piping bag at home. First, you'll need to gather a few simple materials. Grab some parchment paper, which is ideal, or a strong, food-safe plastic bag. Make sure your chosen material is clean and ready for use. You will also need a pair of sharp scissors to help with shaping and cutting. Now, let's shape your piping bag. If using parchment paper, cut a large square or rectangular piece. Take one corner and fold it diagonally, rolling the paper to form a cone. It's important to overlap the edges tightly as you roll to ensure the cone is secure and won't leak when filled with dough. Once your cone is formed, secure the overlapping edges with a piece of strong tape to keep it from unraveling. Next, you'll trim the very end of the cone to create an opening. Start with a small cut, as you can always make it larger. The size of this opening will determine the thickness of your churros, so adjust it to your preference. To fill your homemade piping bag, fold down the top edges to create a wider opening, making it easier to spoon in your churro dough. Fill the bag about 2/3 full. Then, twist the top closed to seal the dough inside. Now you're ready to pipe your delicious churros directly into hot oil, using scissors to snip them to your desired length.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.